Hey cooking fam, it's Jimmy here. If you're new, thanks for popping in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive right in and make some super quick and easy vanilla cupcakes with just 2 ingredients. Yep, you heard that right, just 2. First up, grab your box of vanilla cake mix. Any brand will do, no need to be picky. And the magic second ingredient, a cup of lemonade or any carbonated soda you fancy. I know, sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it works. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's warming up, let's mix our ingredients. In a large bowl, pour in the cake mix and then add your fizzy drink. Now give it a good stir. You want everything nicely combined, no dry spots left behind. Next, line your muffin tin with some colorful cupcake liners. It's all about the presentation, folks. Using a spoon or an ice cream scoop, fill each liner about 2/3 full. These little guys are going to puff up in the oven, so leave them some room to grow. Pop them into your preheated oven and bake for about 15-20 minutes. Here's a pro tip. Use a toothpick to check if they're done. Poke it in the center. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. Let them cool for a bit before you dig in. But I won't blame you if you sneak one early. They smell amazing. And there you have it. Quick and easy vanilla cupcakes with just 2 ingredients. Perfect for any occasion or just a cheeky snack. Thanks for watching, cooking fam. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun and easy recipes. See you next time. Happy baking!